Hey there, smoking enthusiasts! Are you tired of slaving away over a hot grill only to end up with mediocre results? Well, fear not, because we've got the solution for you. The best electric smokers on the market. These bad boys are here to take your BBQ game to the next level with just the push of a button. Say goodbye to babysitting your meats and hello to perfectly smoked goodness every time. So grab a cold one and let's dive into the smoky world of electric smokers. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. Let's get smoking. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and a handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Cusinart COS-330 Electric Smoker. The Cusinart COS-330 Electric smoker is a budget-friendly option for those looking to enjoy delicious smoked meats without breaking the bank. One of the best things about this smoker is its ability to hold temperature well, allowing for consistent results every time you use it. Plus, with its 548 square inch of cooking space and 3 chrome-coated racks, you can easily smoke enough food for a large group of people. One of the standout features of the COS-330 is its ease of use. The basic temperature controls may be a downside for some, but for those who are just starting out or are looking for a simple smoking experience, this smoker is a breeze to operate. Additionally, the easy-to-remove water pan and wood chip tray make for quick and painless cleanups. While the lack of a chip reloading feature may be a drawback, opening the door to reload wood chips or refill the water tray allows you to check on your food and ensure everything is cooking perfectly. Despite this minor inconvenience, the COS-330 is a great option for those on a budget who still want to enjoy the delicious flavors of smoked meats. In conclusion, the Cusinart COS-330 electric smoker is a solid choice for beginners or those on a budget. It may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, but it gets the job done and allows you to create mouth-watering smoked dishes with ease. Check it out for yourself and start enjoying the art of smoking meats at home. Number 4. Dyna-Glo 30-inch digital Bluetooth electric smoker. If you want the best Bluetooth electric smoker on the market, the Dyna-Glo 30-inch digital Bluetooth electric smoker is the one for you. With its impressive array of features, this smoker stands out from the competition. 4 chrome-plated cooking grates offer a generous 732 square inches of cooking space, giving you plenty of room to smoke your favorite meats. The digital thermostat and control panel display make it easy to set and monitor your cooking time and temperature, ensuring precise results every time. The integrated meat thermometer allows you to track the internal temperature of your food without opening the door, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes. The removable rib rack and sausage hooks provide additional cooking options, giving you versatility in your recipes. Accessing water or wood chips is a breeze with the bottom access drawer, so you can add fuel without losing smoke or heat. The adjustable door latches and high-temp door seal help minimize smoke and heat loss, ensuring efficient smoking every time. The 1000-watt burner generates plenty of cooking power, even in colder climates, while the rear handle and heavy-duty casters make it easy to move the smoker around your backyard. For added convenience, the smoker is compatible with the Dyna-Glo electric smoker leg assembly. While the racks may be slightly too small, the Dyna-Glo Bluetooth electric smoker's superior temperature control and smart features make it a top choice for barbecue enthusiasts. You won't be disappointed with the results this smoker produces. Go check it out now. Still searching for the perfect electric smoker? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Bradley Smoker BS611 Original 4-Rack Stainless Smoker. If you're in the market for a reliable electric smoker that's perfect for camps and cabins, look no further than the Bradley Smoker BS611 Original 4-Rack Stainless Smoker. This smoker offers a smaller, lower wattage option that is easy to use and provides a hands-off smoking experience. One of the standout features of this smoker is the automatic biscuit feeder, which delivers a steady stream of flavorful biscuits every 20 minutes. This means you can set it and forget it, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the great outdoors with your friends and family. The generous cooking space, spread over 4 different grates, provides ample room to cook for a crowd, making it ideal for hosting gatherings in remote locations. The insulated double-wall construction of the Bradley Smoker BS611 makes it incredibly efficient when filled with biscuits, allowing you to enjoy up to 9 hours of continuous smoke before needing to refill. This means less time spent tending to the smoker and more time socializing with your guests, a huge plus for busy hosts. What I love most about this smoker is its compact size and portability, making it perfect for taking on camping trips or setting up at a cabin. The only downside is that the cooking area may be a bit small for larger groups, but the efficiency and convenience of this smoker far outweigh this minor inconvenience. In conclusion, the Bradley Smoker BS611 Original 4-Rack Stainless Smoker is the best electric smoker for camps and cabins, offering a convenient and flavorful smoking experience that will impress your guests every time. Check it out for yourself and take your outdoor cooking to the next level. Number 2. Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker. In the world of electric smokers, the Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker stands out as a top choice for advanced cooks. With its innovative features and spacious design, this smoker is a game changer for those looking to elevate their smoking game. The digital controls on this smoker make it incredibly easy to set your desired cooking time and temperature up to a maximum of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of precision allows for perfect results every time, ensuring that your meats come out tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. One of the standout features of this smoker is the patented side wood chip loader, which allows you to add more wood chips without losing heat or smoke. This means you can continuously infuse your food with delicious smoky flavor without any interruptions, resulting in perfectly smoked dishes every time. Another benefit of this smoker is its spacious cooking chamber, which can accommodate up to 7 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 pork butts, or 4 racks of ribs. This means you can easily cook for a crowd without sacrificing quality or flavor. While this smoker has a lot to love, there is one minor drawback to consider. The grease tray can be a bit difficult to clean, but this is a small price to pay for the superior results you'll achieve with this smoker. If you're serious about taking your smoking game to the next level, the Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker is the perfect tool for the job. Check it out and get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker. If you want the ultimate smoking experience in your backyard, the Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker is the way to go. With its impressive 970 square inches of cooking space, you can easily smoke a variety of meats and vegetables to perfection. The digital control panel makes it a breeze to set your desired temperature and cooking time, giving you complete control over the smoking process. The patented side wood chip loader is a game changer, allowing you to add wood chips without losing heat or smoke. This means you can continuously infuse your food with rich, smoky flavor without any hassle. The 4 chrome-coated smoking racks provide plenty of room to smoke multiple items at once, making it perfect for hosting BBQ parties. The adjustable smoke damper lets you control the smoke levels, giving you the flexibility to customize your smoking experience to your liking. The low and slow smoking method results in juicy and tender meats, while the generous cooking surface area makes it versatile enough to smoke anything from ribs to vegetables. What I love most about this smoker is its ability to consistently maintain the perfect temperature throughout the cooking process, resulting in deliciously smoked food every time. The only downside is that it can be a bit bulky to move around, but the pros definitely outweigh this minor inconvenience. If you want to take your backyard BBQ game to the next level, the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker is the best choice for you. Check it out and start smoking like a pro. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best electric smokers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which electric smoker you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.